Hello everyone, so today I air fried my salmon. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing and thank you for your support. So for this recipe I had 2 medium salmon, and then I washed and pat dried it using the paper towel, and from there I sprinkle some extra virgin olive oil and some fish seasoning. I also sprinkle some all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper. So after I sprinkle all these spices, I had to rub it very well so that all the spices are well mixed with my salmon. So I had to put this aside for 5 minutes and then put in my air fryer. So for the air fryer, I put on salmon. That was for 7 minutes. So while the salmon was cooking, I cut my onion and then sweet pepper, and after I cut the sweet pepper, I also cut some few leaves of baby spinach, and the salmon was ready. Now from there I had to make the sauce of the salmon. So I had some olive oil in a pan and add the sweet pepper and onions together, and then I let it cook for some few minutes, and I also added the organic tomato paste. Unfortunately, I did not use measurements, so I'm really sorry for that. And from there, I mixed it well and added some ginger paste. I continue mixing it, and then I added some heavy cream. So for this sauce, some of it I use it for pasta and some for salmon. So I also added all-purpose seasoning, and this has salt already, so I did not use some salt. I also added black pepper. Here we go. After that, I added some onion powder, and then the last thing I added was the Kraft Russian Rossi. I tell you, the combination of all these spices makes this sauce so delicious. You can tell, just looking at the sauce, you can tell how delicious it was. So I also added some spinach. Now I continue mixing it well, and then I had to separate a little bit of sauce for the salmon, and then I used the rest for the pasta. If you don't like the pasta, try this recipe. You'll love it and you eat pasta now and then. This was so delicious. Now my salmon was ready and pasta, so I had to save this with the pasta. Oh, I can't even explain how delicious this was. So I sprinkle some sauce on top of the salmon. After that, I couldn't wait to have a bite. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It looks delicious, and it was. Yeah, now I had a bite. I couldn't wait, and oh, this was so delicious. And this was yesterday. I'm already craving for it today. I think I'm going to make it again. Once again, thank you everyone for watching my videos. Let me know if you like the recipe by clicking the thumbs up button. Bye for now.